For the welfare of humanity and the beauty of nature. Human Nature Motors. Human Nature Motors is a next-generation renewable energy specialist company. Its priority is the harmony between humanity and nature. In 1994, Human Nature Motors started as Samdo Electronic Communications. Based on its excellent technical developments and accumulated know-how, Human Nature Motors has developed a smart drive system and succeeded in applying it to various products and facilities. Since then, Human Nature Motors is leading the new paradigm of eco-friendly, renewable energy. Introduction to Smart Photovoltaic System. Existing large-scale power generating systems have a variety of problems. Nuclear power is very efficient, thus cost-effective. The downside of it, however, is high construction cost and the disposal cost of radioactive waste. The nuclear disaster of Fukushima in 2011 showed that nuclear power plants have fundamental safety concerns. Thermal power plant is cheap to build, easy to operate thanks to simple mechanism of power generating, and fueled by easily available raw materials. However, its unit cost of electricity production is relatively high, and environmental pollution can be caused by its use of fossil fuels. Hydropower plant rarely causes environmental problems once it is built. It can even bring extra benefits such as water reservation, flood control, and promoting tourism, etc. During the construction period, however, it can damage the surrounding ecosystem. The initial construction cost is huge. If by any chance the dam collapses, it can lead to serious damages. Thus, the choice of location is very limited. To solve a number of problems of existing large-scale power plants, the whole world is on a quest for a new renewable energy system. One of the existing renewable energies is photovoltaic system. It consists of modules of solar cells, power conditioning system, a storage battery, and inverter. One problem of existing photovoltaic systems is the efficiency of solar cells and the amount of sunlight. The efficiency of existing solar cells is currently around 20%, and the longest daylight hours are considered to be at most 4 hours. This low efficiency is the reason why photovoltaic systems have to be installed on a large scale. As its low efficiency keeps the dependency ratio on the external energy sources higher, photovoltaic system has been implemented for complementary or economical function rather than for main energy provider. Our smart photovoltaic system with smart drive system, however, has an efficiency 5 times higher than that of existing photovoltaic systems. It is a high-performance power generating system which made it possible to use solar energy as the main source of electricity. Smart drive system can be applied to various aspects of our everyday life. Thanks to its low installation cost, new renewable energy is now easily available to a wider range of consumers. It can be implemented for general households, remote places without power supply system, hotels, streetlights, CCTV, lanterns, or any other electrical home appliances. The smart drive system, which is the key technology of smart generator, can be implemented to any existing electrical or power device. As Human Nature Motors possesses design technology for high-voltage smart power plant focused on factories or big-scale power plants, it is now possible to establish a standalone power station which can be operated without transmission line or transmission towers. Smart photovoltaic system shares the same method of existing systems where sunlight collected in solar cell modules is converted into energy. But a big difference lies in the process in which this produced energy goes through smart drive system. Through solar cell modules, sunlight is converted into electrical energy, which is then via allocation controller sent to the battery to be charged or to DC driver. The electricity stored in the battery is regenerated and amplified before it is sent back to the allocation controller. The backup generator can also supply electricity to the allocation controller, but its portion in relation to the whole power supplying system has become much smaller than it used to be, and that only for a subsidiary function. It is of course possible to build a standalone power station without any external power supply. With the world's first charging system hiring stable 800 Hz high frequency, we convert the electricity supplied to the allocation controller into electric power. 800 Hz high-frequency charging system made it possible by amplification effect to get electricity without depending totally on the amount of sunlight. With only 1/5 of square meters of standard solar modules, the equivalent amount of electricity can be generated. After sunset, the battery starts regenerating process, which enables the electric power supply for 24 hours. For this smart photovoltaic system, there is no need for transmission towers and power grids to transport the electricity. In addition, the leftover electricity can be resold, which will bring extra income. Advantages of smart photovoltaic system. Existing photovoltaic systems installed in local area show a number of problems. Decreasing efficiency due to the high temperature. Facility damages due to the contamination factors such as sand dust, enormous cost, and space problems for building transmission lines and transmission towers, and the issue of electromagnetic waves thereof. Smart photovoltaic system has not only improved the majority of those problems through advanced technologies and facilities, but it also maximized the efficiency so that the electricity generation is possible for 24 hours. By drastically reducing the size in relation to the existing system, one of the disadvantages of photovoltaic system, taking up a huge space in particular, is solved. Through standalone system that can be installed on site where the energy is consumed, such as shops, factories, administration buildings and houses, a standard of true microgrid system is introduced. The existing photovoltaic system, once especially favored in the Middle East, where abundant amount of sunlight is available and its duration time is long enough, is now facing various challenges, such as diminishing conversion efficiency due to high temperature and frequent failure of facilities due to extreme weather like sandstorms. Smart Drive energy generating system provides an excellent alternative to existing systems in the Middle East. Beyond that, it will prove itself to be the indispensable system for new city projects, not only in the Middle East, but worldwide. The future of smart photovoltaic system. The whole world is focusing on new renewable energy to face the challenges, such as limited natural resources and global warming. The fraction of renewable energy in global energy production is constantly increasing. As smart photovoltaic system is free of vibration or noise, easy to maintain, and possible to operate with unmanned system, a lot of people are paying attention and much research is underway. We proved the value of our smart photovoltaic system by having successfully installed smart photovoltaic system in Korea, Cambodia, Fiji, Japan, etc. Human Nature Motors will be your faithful partner to the future of technological development for global renewable energy. A company for humanity and nature. Human Nature Motors.